Why? I fixed it.
Zach, you need to start fucking driving a little bit nicer.
Nice.
Where
Where you at, bro?
Thanos is fucking shitting himself right now in my fucking passenger seat, I bet.
I'm at the way.
Thanos, hold on.
Oh, you have Thanos with you?
Oh, yeah.
Where are you?
Oh, I see him, man. He's wearing
Where are you?
Bro. Oh, we're at 268 already.
Doing what?
Just I don't know.
We're bragging.
Oh, yeah, bro, Brian. What you saying, bro?
Bruh.
What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? Yo, Jonathan is so close to getting his shit smoked, bro. I kid you fucking not.
Crew Charles 5, all units, please be on the lookout for a Josh Harrison. It's gonna be white male, black hair, wearing a black suit.
Big shots just want to meet everyone tonight.
User disconnected from your channel.
Three Charlie 23. What's he being boloed for?
Tonight.
The Foxtrot 226, can I get a update on that Bolo again?
Crew Charles 5, person bolo is gonna be for Josh Harrison. White male, black hair, wearing a black suit.
Or is there a vehicle Bolo on that or no?
Tonight.
Is there a vehicle Bolo or just a person?
Person bolo.
10-4. Foxtrot 226 to units in the city. I have a black sports car that's speeding past me. It's coming about 80, heading down past the pillbox hill, just about in a couple seconds.
User joined your channel.
648, I'll head over there.
True Bravo 510 copies.
Two Bravo 637, be advised, is that gonna be a Camaro vehicle at this moment in time?
I was only doing.
Unknown. It's a black car with a bottom spoilers.
Wait, what? 10-9?
Or fenders. I don't know what they are, but.
Two Bravo 637, I'm gonna be behind her at this moment in time. It's gonna be 162 Strawberry Avenue, just outside Pillbox Hill.
User joined your channel. User entered your channel.
Unit in front of me, that's the car in front of you.
Avon.
I'm gonna be pulled over for no reason, bro. I gotta clip this, legit clip it. Hold on. Hold on. What's up, man? I'm only doing 65. That's crazy.
You just got clocked 80 apparently. Okay.
Really? I can even show you my dash cam. I legit have dash cam.
Two Bravo 637.
One
Be
second.
advised, it's gonna be an officer.
10-4.